Hello, it's Saturday. In my last video I said that I probably are going to my buddy's place to do some excavating today. That was yesterday, and now I'm on my way. It's 9:30 in, I guess you can call it morning since it's Saturday. Temperature outside is 1 degree Celsius, so we're that close to freezing. But it's a sunny day, so I guess that will change for the better. So we're not gonna complete anything over at my buddy's place because that's a big project. We started it in the spring with a mini excavator. Now we're upgraded to a bigger excavator, 18 ton I think. I never drove it before. It's the first time today. I've driven bigger machines, but not this particular one on this site. So I'm kind of curious what we will be able to do today. And we started out with a little plan, and the plan expanded many times, and we started some over there and some over here, and so the whole working side is partly a mess, but we're trying to pull strings together and find a progress line that will work. So hopefully we can get some productive hours out of the machine today, but we'll see about that in a while.
I am Niko, a Norwegian man in my best age suffering from trigeminal neuralgia. Since 2014, I have faced the worst pain and the challenges of living with a chronic illness. I've been linked to the sofa and spent the better part of 3 years watching myself deteriorate. Then I decided to take my life back, and step by step, I moved longer and longer away from the sofa, and slowly I got back in the game. I have learned to live with my illness, and I'm here to tell you that if I can do it, so can you. It's time to get out of the sofa and back in the game.
So this is where we're gonna work today. Machine is standing there. This is part of what we've done. It's gonna be a waterfall. It's gonna continue around to the left, and it's gonna be a pond down in the right corner of the picture right now. But today I'm gonna go down here with the excavator over that hill, take those logs, put them over there. We're gonna make a temporary place right there, a little bigger than it is, a terrace, where we're gonna put all kinds of stuff that is lying around to get it out of the way. So that's the first mission of the day. And we're gonna take that pile of dirt and stretch it like a bank along the fence and make the best out of it. So the thing is, this project, it's gonna be a stream down there. It's gonna continue around here and down to, you see the start of the pond there. Underneath that dirt there's smooth, slippery kind of mountain, and it forms a natural pond. So all we're gonna do is dig it out, and on the left side we're gonna put up some kind of decorative shelter, and there's probably gonna be some water slides and stuff, and we're gonna also make some other things that I can't show from here. But all in all, it's kind of developed as we go. It's new plans coming along all the way, so It's not something that we're gonna be done with this year, but hopefully we can have this stream flowing and up and running next summer. That would be great. A place for the kids to play, and we can kind of tidy up this area and make that finished, so this part will be ready next summer. So this whole project here it's a spare time project, and it's not mine. It's not my property, and it's not my money that goes into it. And considering my health, it's more important that I'm able to do my daily work at my daily job. So this is what I do when I have the extra time and extra energy to do something, and not fearing for my ability to go back at work on Monday, because that would not be fair to do this, because I think this is fun, and not be able to go to work. And living with constant pain in my face, I need to take extra care and be extra considerate about what I'm doing and how I spend my energy and my strength. Right now I'm able to do this today, and I'm gonna take you with me here when I can and show you the progress. But the progress will not be as if I did everything myself, because my buddy does a lot when I'm not here, and he lives on the property and can do some things when he have the time in the evenings, while I'm kind of limited to the weekends, and now and then I can do something evening or two. that's it for today. I did not record everything. One of the reasons is I got a phone call and recording stopped because I'm filming with my phone, and well, yeah, I just forgot to start it up again. And well, yeah, there's no need to show you guys everything I do, anything anyway, so yeah, it's enough video, I guess, to edit it down to something that might be interesting, I hope. But you can, of course, give me comments if you think I should film more. If you like this stuff, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and all that, you know the drill.